How to turn on direct messages notifications settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on direct messages notifications settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in the top corner you will find the storylines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find this one, push notifications. Just click on it and scroll down until you find direct messages. Now just turn it on by one click and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.